morning. How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
Good.
Have not in full transparency have not gotten a chance to look at the market yet. I just woke up a minute ago because my flight got in so late. So, but perfect timing. What's that?
Who said perfect timing?
I said perfect timing.
Oh, you said perfect. Where you gone?
I'm actually
you gone.
No. I'm back in my family home right now.
Oh, okay.
Just for literally 3 hours before I head to the next spot. I'm going out to see Drew.
Are you?
I hope so, Drew. If I don't see you this weekend, I'm gonna be upset, man.
So,
What's good, Arthur?
Hello.
Is someone else see?
No. Oh, he's gonna be in Cali. Dang it.
So who are you gonna see then?
Well, I guess we'll find out. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Yeah. I'm gonna do a flip with that Moses the jeweler guy though.
Why? What are you getting?
I'm getting something, but I want to just flip with him, and then if I lose, just not pay him.
Sounds like a good plan. Let me know how that works out.
I will do that. Let's get into it.
You're gonna get stabbed, man.
I would be pissed if I got stabbed. I would not be happy. How about
I don't think many people are.
How about the Kanye coin? That's a good starting point to talk.
Scary.
Yeah.
It's marks the top normally.
Well, yeah.
Was you not going to say that?
No, there's not much more else to say about it. I think it's the same guy who did the. What's his name? Hayden
James.
Hayden, is that it? Yeah, him. It's him that created it, apparently.
Yeah, it's never a good sign. What's the market cap of it?
Just to warn people, please don't buy it.
That's the guy behind the Libra scandal with Argentinian president. So if people don't know who that Hayden guy is.
Dude, oh my god, I forgot about the Libra coin. That's
Why
Libra. Oh, YZY.
Gentlemen, I'm at the dentist.
YZY.
Okay.
YZY.
It's a
Hello.
billion.
Yeah, the screen failed to start error 2012.
Were you at the dentist for Pocky?
His teeth?
No shit.
Yeah, it's a billion market cap at the moment.
A bill, fucking hell.
Yeah,
Wow,
Max.
He does not have the motion he used to have, man. I was expecting 10 bill on that minimum.
Max was
Billion's
3
a lot of
billion.
money, you know?
3 billion is still a lot, man, for Max.
Yeah, I mean, 3 billion still pretty.
What did
into else?
Well, okay, so what I'm comparing that to though is what did Iggy Azalea's coin get up to? By the way, do they still have perps on that coin on Mother?
Don't think
No,
so.
they got delisted for me.
They got delisted, yeah.
Dude, what's crazy is the
Iggy only got to
something million, 100 million or something, or close to it.
I thought that got a lot bigger. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Oh wait, no, 250.
Well, Kanye sold his X account.
I don't think he sold his Twitter account.
No. I mean, dude, the way they set up the website, like that's how Kanye's designs normally look. Like, I mean, he's definitely involved in it for sure, and I think he was hinting at it for a while. What's funding like on Bybit for it? Do they have perps on Bybit yet?
Yeah,
they do.
I didn't know that.
Since this morning, man.
Yeah, they have it on Blowfin, and it's negative. It's negative.
Minus 64.64. Sorry.
Yep.
I didn't even realize.
No, I didn't realize it was either. It's not on TradingView, though, is it?
No, it's not. Only the other weeks or something like that exchanges.
Yeah.
Bybit listed, BitGet listed. Binance hasn't yet. only in their Binance Alpha wallet delisted, so the on-chain part. No perps.
Just try and find an entry on it.
Nah, fuck.
Oh, that's I definitely am. That's my coin for the week.
Why, man?
Yeah, why?
I mean, what's the volume on it right now? It's probably pretty volatile.
101
100
million.
million, yeah.
Okay, right. So volume is pretty solid for $1 billion market cap coin.
And it's volatile.
Yeah, good luck, buddy.
Hey, thank you.
It's all right. All right, can everyone see my screen all right? Because I saw there were a couple messages saying screen doesn't work.
I can
I've got
see
you.
it.
I've got you.
Yeah. All right, sweet. Okay, so I'm looking down at here, 111.4 for a little scalp on BTC. But obviously, higher time frame level is anywhere from 111 down to 100, 108, 109k. I looked a bid, buy it, fucked on the spot down there. And invalidation for any spot buys would be daily acceptance back below 110. Because that's old all-time high. Well, not old all-time high. The range high that we were in from like what, December to July. So if we break down below there, then naturally,
The screen's frozen, Tareeq, as for mine as well.
what?
I've got him.
Yeah.
Is it frozen though, or is it?
No, I'm seeing his little squiggly line, and yeah, he's moving around very quickly. He just drew a circle, and he drew another circle. Now he's drawing a shaft.
Can you see it?
Hold on. Here, let me
Doesn't matter.
screenshot for everybody to see.
I don't want to see your shaft.
Why
You
not?
sure?
Only Bryce likes those type of stuff.
Dude, even Rigo said something to me on Twitter about that yesterday. I was like, wow.
About what?
Rigo.
It's obvious, man. It's getting too obvious.
Crazy. This isn't crazy, bro. I'll never beat the allegations.
It's all right. Just say he loves feet. That's what I do.
Is that the truth?
I don't know, but he hates it.
Man, I don't think that's a bad thing by any means.
Oh, this is gupping out right now.
Yeah, I
You
cannot
are?
see, but it's okay, man. I don't.
I'll
I
see
just
the
need to
screen.
hear.
All right, yeah. So, like I said, if we lose this old range high, then naturally I'd be looking down at range lows. But obviously, that's a big drop, like 92k. So I would look for scalp levels in between on alts and BTC that could turn into swings because we may not get that 92k. So any scalps in between could turn into swings. And ideally, if we do lose that 110, you'd want to see a reclaim. And if you do miss a scalp down there, your invalidation for the reclaim play would be wherever the sweep was below the deviation. So that's the high time frame plan. Ethereum high time frame plan is bidding 4k down to 3.6 on spot and just holding it for new all-time highs.
That's a good plan.
Yeah.
It sounds.
I
I'm
can't
just
see it.
bidding this whole entire area here. Pretty easy invalidation. You can either place a hard stop loss below this low, but I'm going to do manual with acceptance back below 3.4, I think it is.
Your BTC bids, I really like. Or I know you don't have bids. The levels that you're talking about kind of overlaps exactly with what I have. I have 1112 to 1097. And then same situation where if we started closing some dailies below like 1095, then I'd probably just cut it.
Yeah. And I think right now, the strongest alt is Link.
Yep.
So I think whatever, if we get a dip down today, down towards 111, I'd look to long Link. And I think my area of interest would probably be around here, 24.5 area.
I have Link at higher time frame res though. Like looking at the daily and 3-day, like
My high timer is at 28.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I mean, it's
Any
daily
pullback,
supply.
Any pullback into and then go into 28, and
Yeah.
that's basically probably easier to invalidate than the others.
Yeah, definitely. What's up, HVJ?
H.
Solana, obviously, I fumbled the long yesterday. Popped 7%, which is annoying from entry. I was trying to be a bit greedy and wait for a better entry, but depending where we are at 111, then I may take a scalp on Solana, but it's pretty weak
I don't
right now.
know why it bounced so hard yesterday.
Yeah,
to
like
be honest.
before that, it was actually pretty weak.
Yeah.
I wasn't really doing anything. So I think a lot of people's focus is on Link at the moment and just trying to bid Link. So maybe Solana, we could try and snipe this POC down here at 175.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. That around 107.7 to 107.6, there were a
Yeah.
lot of invalidations over the last few days from the Twitter folk
Yeah.
posts. You know, like a lot of people got long
Yeah.
around the 180s and got stopped at 107.6, 107.7. So that's
Also,
monthly.
another thing is on Twitter is the sentiment has changed massively, but we're still above 4K on Ethereum, and BTC obviously is not as strong, but BTC is
We're still above previous all-time high. I don't know why
Yeah.
people are like.
So for me,
I'm kind of risk off. I'm going to be honest. I haven't.
Right. You can be risk off without being a complete freaking doomer.
or you can be a
I
pussy,
suppose, yeah, I suppose.
Well,
Fair
yeah.
play.
and I'm not a pussy.
Oh.
So
I wouldn't go
Totally.
as far as to say that.
yeah, well, I would.
I can't confirm or deny.
For your higher time frame, honestly, higher time frame for me still intact until we lose this 110k level on the daily time frame. If we start getting daily closes below there, then I would be a bit risk off. We can have a wick down, but as long as the daily stays above 110, then I think we're good. So that's my plan.
I like it.
Yeah. What's popping at the moment? What's Top Gainer saying? AO.
Block and Sapien. Sapien, I think that's a new listing.
Yeah, there was a level actually I liked, but it just dropped from that level.
Is that what is this a meme like Homo sapien? Or
I've never actually heard of it.
No, it's something. I'm gonna link you. But I think it's Binance backed, or all of the major
Sapien Crypto got
exchanges.
listed on Binance, Decentralized Data Foundry.
Yeah, it
Okay, so
backed.
it's
It was backed by everybody. Like
What's
all
the market
exchanges
cap?
listed it. I don't know if this is correct. It says 47 million with an FDV of 187, but CoinGecko sometimes doesn't really.
powering
the
AI with
Release.
human data.
Is
So
triple the market cap.
it was backed. Yeah, it was backed by everybody. Like Coinbase listed it
Yep.
directly on BitGet, KuCoin, Kraken. So
Interesting.
it's a base coin, so it's on the base ecosystem. So of course
what does that
Coinbase lists it, you know, like
Sapien is a Ethereum. Let's see. What is that?
Did you say you were in bonk spot, Bryce, yesterday?
I don't want to talk about it.
what? Are you
But
down?
no. Yeah, I'm done.
You down
sorry.
bad?
I was gonna buy
Oh.
down here
I'm done. No, I mean, my average entry is 0.223, so I'm done. I don't even know the percentage on that. There's too many numbers right now.
Too much.
But yeah, I just want BTC to range a little bit and alts to pop. That's really what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, there's only certain few alts that are popping.
Yeah. Well, dude, the reason behind Bonk Spot was, I mean, like, it was very strong when they announced Rev buyback, and then it just shit the bed. Just completely shit the bed. Not the greatest thesis.
You
Hey,
said
it's
it.
all right. Yeah.
What was
hey,
the other one?
sometimes you're wrong.
Hawk Tua? Yeah.
Hawk Tua? Yeah. I don't want to talk about that one. I got fucking wrecked. I actually bought the top of Hawk Tua coin. Never was in profit for more than I was actually never in profit. Immediately I was down bad.
And DCA'd.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's not.
Hey, you win some, you lose some.
Yeah, you can't win them all.
Can't win them all.
Very true. API free has negative funding at the moment.
Yeah,
I feel
API
like-
3 is annoying though, because it's only kind of popped because the upbit listing, and I feel like it normally marks the sort of local top, but it's certainly stronger than most upbit listings.
Yeah. Well, API free is. Well, when I think of scam moves, instantly I think of API free. Because that is the scammiest coin in the market when it runs, I think.
I second that.
I'm just going to keep an eye on funding.
All right. Open in 10 minutes.
Is it? Oh, shit. Yeah, it is.
Aditya, we went over ETH a little bit earlier. Freak, I don't know if you want to touch on it just real quick. TLDR.
A bit lower time frame. You want to see actually like 4,200 to 4,150 hold. Otherwise, I do think my spot bids will get filled at 4K. And then the high time frame is spot play is 4K to 3.6, splitting this whole level. But I wouldn't mind a little short on Ethereum. I like this level up here.
Yeah, I've got the same level for a possible short.
Yeah. That might sink as well with 115 on BTC.
Yeah, I really want 115, 600.
Yeah.
What are you guys looking at ETH short wise?
Am I missing a POC?
The value area low of the daily range.
Okay.
It's just the highest bid, but it's from where you've got 114,928 to 115,582. It's pretty much the same. I just got one a little bit higher too.
Sadashi, me and Flex are in ENA at the moment. It's just below our entry at the moment. I have some more DCA bids where these POCs are, and then if we dip a bit lower down here, 58.5.
I would like to get the 0.6, so 60 cents average on it.
Yeah, me too.
And then
maybe lower would be nice as well.
yeah, at least 0.60 cent average, and then ideally sync it with ETH holding, and then we get like a push.
Yeah.
8-10% push, we move stops, and that's basically my plan. It's pretty weak, to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, the same as the others. 63
Yeah.
was okay yesterday.
Yes.
Cashy, I have this level on CRV. It's like 77 down to 69. I think I had some spot bids, but I cancelled them. I'm going to bring them back if we get closer to it. So if we zoom out, it's a nice support resistance retest down there. Looks to target 125. Pengu, I think HBJ's in Pengu, no? You can just follow him.
Short, I think, or did you long?
You can just follow him then. What are my spot bags? I'm currently in. Where are we? So I'm in Tau and Hype. Stops to break even. I've taken 2 TPs on Hype, 1 TP on Tau. I'm in ENA with Flex, and my limits are 30, more Tau bids, and Ethereum.
We had a conversation on stream yesterday after you left, Tareeq, about your spot bids.
Yeah, hopefully
Yeah.
good thing.
Oh yeah, I was just saying, like, most of the time when you set your spot bids, people are like, "Oh, we're not going to hit those levels. We're not going to hit those levels." And then once we finally do come to your areas of interest, people are shitting the bed and too scared to bid. Just kind of, preaching about the importance of having triggers before entering trades rather than just mindlessly, mindlessly longing.
You gotta sync it with your high time frame plan on BTC or Ethereum. So, for example, my high time frame plan now is 110 to 108 to pick up spot, and hopefully my bids sync with that. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Also, you need time. People don't understand. Like our ENA bids started filling after what, 9 days, 8 days.
Yeah.
Because if you look at the daily, you need to take into consideration that you need to have some time. Can't expect to fill the bids in like 1 day, maybe in one daily candle.
Yeah,
So-
definitely not. And sometimes, because obviously my spot is a different account to my trade, my leverage. So I literally just set the bids and change account to my leverage account and trade on that.
And forget.
Yeah. Best way to do it, in my opinion. And obviously, don't get me wrong, sometimes there's been actually quite a few times where I've been getting filled on a lot of spot all at once because the market's dumped. And it can be not nerve-wracking, but makes your arsehole a little bit twitchy. And you just have to trust your plan. And if you don't think you can handle it, just reduce your position size. And it's as simple as that. What is your advice for someone that doesn't have any spot bags? SSK, I don't believe in accumulating alts.
Not anymore.
I just swing spot bags and sell them for like 30 to 100% moves and then move on. The only ones I would accumulate is BTC and ETH. I'm not really fussed about accumulating any of them. And even then with BTC, the price is still, 113K. So it's still a bit high. But if you believe that BTC can hit, I don't know, 250, 300K, whatever,
BTC.
and yeah, you can just do what Rigo does and Mouse do, that just buy it daily or weekly.
I
You
will
can do
never
the
sell
same with
BTC. I'm taking it to the grave with me.
There you go. Because BTC is just a store of value, right? So if you want to accumulate, you can just see it as a savings pot, so to speak. And when you need the money for something, you can just withdraw it. Exactly, Langwade.
Also, if you look at the implied volatility in the last 5 years on Bitcoin compared to any other altcoin, even Ethereum, basically it would be the easiest one to psychologically hold in a DCA long-term 5-year plus plan,
Yeah.
because the swings are basically, it's clear that it will not disappear unless the whole digital economic system is collapsing. Then it doesn't even matter if you
Yeah.
have BTC or not. But even with Ethereum, if you saw like the dump to 1.5k, that was nerve-wracking. We tripped some spot bags twice in the last years. A lot of us. So
Yeah.
Bitcoin is easier to do like a longer-term investment type of strategy.
Well, they're doing it now, Bryce. I don't know if this is right, but they're adding crypto into 401k plans, whatever they're called, aren't they?
Those you've yeah, and then you've had them in IRAs for a while now.
Okay.
But the 401k stuff wasn't approved, correct?
It was not.
Hold on, let me see.
I think only the intention of it, as in they want to, but I don't think they approved it actually.
Okay, a recent executive order signed by President Trump aims to expand access to alternative assets, including digital assets like cryptocurrency and 401k and other defined contribution plans. So it's an executive order.
So it's on.
I think it could be on.
I don't know. I'm asking you because I don't understand. How can I say it? Compared to the other parts of the world, the president in the United States has more executive power than, for example, my country, where it needs to go through.
Yeah,
Parliament,
you have your branches of government, right? Your executive,
Yeah.
judicial, legislative. But with executive orders, normally you're able to bypass. I don't know if you're in. I haven't been in, fucking. I haven't been in a government class in a while, but I'm like 90% sure when it's an executive order, you don't have to. You don't have to get that approved by other branches of government.
Yes, as Zutang says, aims to. So the wording was a little bit off for me. So
Which
aims to
when it comes to crypto, when it comes to our government talking about crypto, it's always a gray area. It's always this may happen. We're planning to, that type of language where none of it's concrete. It's very indirect.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, Nodi.
Okay,
If you read
okay,
Nodi's thing, yeah, Nodi's thing's pretty good. Yeah. So it's
12
executive
months.
order,
This
right?
is, but it says that we likely need 6 to 12 months to integrate. That's why I was curious about the actual timeline of stuff. That's good, anyways. It's something when you think about it, something incredible.
Yeah.
Just to have that possibility as a person.
But the only thing I would ever even remotely consider having in my 401k is BTC.
Yeah, of course.
Not Filecoin.
No, I don't think so.
You would be wrecked now. Imagine.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna call my grandpa.
I got low bids on Fi. I got down here 60 cents to 50, I think.
Jackson's Hole. We're gonna spectate it tomorrow.
You'd like that, wouldn't you?
I would like that.
Some prick who won my giveaway ignored me when I sent him a screenshot of me sending the money to him.
He said only $100, broke bitch.
Honestly,
did Nokido win?
Yeah, it was actually, I was just flicking it, so I couldn't be asked to do Twitter giveaway, so I did the scroll and whatever it stopped on. And Nikita, unfortunately, was one. But
couldn't you have just asked Grok to pick?
That's what Mouse does. Grok never replies to him.
He replies to other people's giveaways, but never replies to me. I don't know why.
He shadow banned mouse for because of that
I've
giveaway.
tried so many different variations as well, of like trying to set in a different way slightly. But I see it work for other people, but it doesn't work for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
man, he doesn't
Fuck
like
that
you.
guy.
I don't want to see
That's
you
pretty
win.
funny.
Yeah. Then I have to ask it to pick a random number, then use that random number to see who it wins.
And does it work?
It picks a random number for me, yeah.
Nice. All right. We got open now.
Man, I just feel terrible this morning.
Me too. I have a massive headache. I don't know why.
I do as well, but I also drank airport wine, so that's probably why I don't feel too good.
I played some paddle this morning.
I'm playing this evening, but I hit the tennis ball into my face yesterday.
I would have loved to see a video of that. I'd actually pay a ridiculous amount of money
It's
to have
actually
that.
sore. Like when I open my mouth, it's sore.
Let's see what the Garmin's saying. For
You open your mouth a lot, huh, Arthur?
Yeah, to talk, mate.
Dude, how about something? Something we haven't talked about. I think in a few weeks is TRX. TRX is just back to old TRX ways of just full vertical accumulation.
I think we talk about this every week.
Do
I'm
we?
on a Thursday stream, yeah.
Oh, dude, it's all mixing together.
I just can't trade this coin.
No. This isn't
Sorry.
like clean price
It's so
action.
hard to get a good entry on it. Because I don't want to ape higher.
Oh.
One coin that is being strong is banned as well. I'm assuming it's strong because of Link.
No banned.
Yes, banned the Oracle coin.
Yeah.
Some weird volume on that.
What do you mean?
It's just like spiking.
Dude, banned during COVID was fucking ridiculous. The bandemic.
Yeah, the memes with the pandemic.
The bandemic.
Problem is it's stacked with POCs above. I want to bid this retest though. Not this one. 78 cents.
Yeah, but why look to bid banned over link? You know.
Well, it's more volatile, bigger moves.
Fair enough.
Yeah, but why the stop also?
Like Kanye's coin.
Oh, why didn't you bid both?
That's a good point. Well, I'm a pussy. We've established that.
Yeah, that is very true.
They do have Kanye's coin on TradingView for WeX.
What's it called? XYZ.
No, YZY. Where did you get XYZ from, man?
I don't fucking know.
That was so random.
XYZ.
I think she's doing the alphabet.
Oh, Zoo, that's a you know what? That's a great point. That's a great point. API 3 being an Oracle in the Oracle basket as well. Didn't even think about that.
I have
Good
nothing
shout.
on XYZ.
No, it's YZY.
Still the same.
Yeah. Maybe that 80 cents or whatever, that low. I don't know.
I like the reclaim of 120.
Fuck me, that's a long way away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
It's a long, long way away. Yeah, I'm gonna get off this chart. I don't like it.
Let's see.
Jeez, man.
There's you, bloody Mr. Risk Off over there.
It's a fair point. It's a very fair point.
What's Popcat saying?
Fuck that coin. Fuck
What?
that coin, dude.
Wait, why?
Dude, trading Popcat on leverage nowadays is like pulling your teeth out.
Oh, you just missed a nice retest on Quantum. Stacked with res though. Stacked. Maybe up here for a short. I don't know what the funding's like. I haven't looked, but maybe up there for a short.
Sounds just like a loaded gun. Man, I just feel just this might be the worst I've felt in my life.
We need to take a break from all the drinking.
No, you talking to me?
Yeah.
That's
Mr.
crazy.
Airport wine.
Yeah, well, dude, my flight got delayed. There was like, what else am I gonna do?
Watch some YouTube.
Drink water like normal people.
Yeah. I actually don't really like drinking in an airport. I don't like morning beers at an airport. I don't mind in the afternoon, but in the airport in the morning, no, thank you.
I see.
Neither do you. You told me you didn't. When we went, we both got a Corona bottle, so we didn't have to do a pint.
He said, "Sorry about that. I was lying."
Langwade, I went on a stag do and we had I think it was a 6 a.m. flight. They all got pints. I got an Aperol spritz. It was lovely.
That is. I mean, you might as well just kiss a dude at that point. You're getting an Aperol spritz when all your friends are drinking beers.
Yeah.
Did you? Okay.
Did you ask for a little cocktail umbrella in it?
Yeah.
No, it came with it actually. I didn't need to ask. It's not vodka, Langwade. Come on, someone's never had an Aperol spritz.
Grass. No, dude.
Actually dank. I can't lie.
I'm not seeing anything that I want to get long on.
Yeah, I got nothing at the moment.
Literally zero. It's just so annoying. Open. What are we getting on open?
I've got this flip on Kernel if we get it today of 24, but it's a long way away. B&B, yeah.
No, TKS, what we think about Jackson Hole. Kike, I'm never going into news events, specifically ones that aren't like full blown economic data. I try to never have a predictive mindset and just have reactive levels for me to play off of, rather than trying to, you know, predict what Powell's going to say, because I have no idea. Tareeq, you want to go see Jackson's Hole with me? You want to fly out there?
Nah, I'm good, thanks.
I'm telling you, man, that's the most beautiful area on the planet.
That's all right. I'll see it someday, not this weekend.
Seems like you like Jackson's Hole. I think we've established that. It's not just Jackson's either.
Jackson's Hole. Any hole.
Ave actually could be a nice long here soon. I hate trading it on leverage, but above 309, Ave I kind of like.
$309.
Yeah.
Above 312 is a bit better. Or retest of 290 to 287.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I mean, assuming we don't make a higher high, yeah. 290 to 286. Let's
Is anyone
easy
got any
down.
other requests the last 15 minutes? Or want us to go through anything?
No more Jackson's Hole questions.
You're the one that keeps bringing it up.
Yeah.
I'm simply servicing. I'm servicing the individuals who are asking the questions.
Okay, mate. God.
Tareeq's sleepy.
Just yawning. BB typing. Let's see.
You
Nothing.
said you're playing. You said you're playing some paddle later, Tareeq?
No, I've already played.
Oh, nice.
I played this morning for an hour and a half.
Holy!
That was good fun.
Your trousers were probably fucking drenched there, buddy.
Nah, see, my ass doesn't really get that sweaty in sports, but everywhere else does.
I'm really happy now that I know that.
That's all right.
Why does it always come to this? Man?
I didn't say that. Somebody said, "What do you think about Ohm's scam move up?" I mean,
It had its scam move up the other week.
yeah. This is just not.
Yeah.
This is just not something that I would be.
This was the scam move here. Now, maybe a scam move if it reclaims up here for me. Then I'd be interested. Sorry.
Imagine you got lucky and just decided to go short at $6.30, and then lost your phone.
Wait, what are we talking about here?
Ohm.
Oh,
I'm talking about the short when we
yeah.
dumped from 630
Yeah.
to 60 cents in. I don't even know how long that took. Sounds just like love.
So yeah, BB, nothing really for it. It is a high time frame support at the moment, but it just looks like it wants to roll over.
Not a bad looking hourly close on ETH if it can close up here.
Yeah, ideally it reclaims 4345 this level.
I got something very similar. 43.60, I think.
Yeah. Reclaim here. Then we make
Actually, I just set a short limit on it.
What? This level?
No, at I have bids 44.30 to 44.80.
What's your stop loss?
45.62, so it's like a 3.2% stop. And sure enough, we are not going to close the hourly like this. Literally, the second I said this is not a bad looking hourly close, we just started fucking dumping. Yep. Yeah, I did. Yeah,
I want to take this on it. Probably DCA if it gives as well to 540. Probably place my stop loss a little higher.
Wait, say it again. 44. You said 44 where?
44.80 to 45.40.
Okay, so you like it a little bit higher.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay.
What?
If we don't bounce here on ETH,
Get Umar. Fuck. I'm gonna set that for here. 195. Well, sorry, not 15. 165 on Uma. All right. Yeah, it's actually been pretty annoying to trade the last few days.
I think it's just a lot of people risking off.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Well, yell at Arthur.
I've tried. He doesn't listen.
We need Arthur's volume to come back to the market. Wall Street futures decline as investors remain on edge ahead of Jackson's hole.
I think 4160 could be a good trigger on Eve. 4160. Yeah, I mean, it's got a hold down
Yeah.
there. 150 could be nice.
There's the last area.
Yeah, last line of defense.
I would maybe consider scalping it with tighter stop under the low, but
I can't believe
did you
Kanye
see that?
West.
Look what I posted
What you posted?
in the chat. If you earn over 100k, anything above 100k, you only keep 38 quid of it. For every
What?
you make. Yeah.
man, I don't understand this.
Wait. You're telling me you're on a 62% tax rate?
It's a progressive tax, right?
Yeah.
That's why under 100k it's less. I mean, it's very little, right? Compared
Yeah.
to what's above the threshold.
These are people who aren't employed.
Oh my
Obviously,
god.
you can get away with expensing a lot of things and reducing it.
That's one of the craziest stats I think I've ever seen.
Yeah.
France is also something very similar. Like for an employee to get, they're losing like 60% or 58 or something.
I mean, what are they using your tax dollars for?
That's a great question.
Whoa. Well, there's a very big economic issue with having progressive tax strategies. So, like in, if it's not a very strong economic country and you do that, you just destroy everything. And now, even with strong economic countries, you can kind of destroy it. So,
Yeah.
Fucking taxes for politicians to make more money. I mean, of course, income tax in America was only supposed to be a couple year thing during World War. What was it? World War One or World War Two? It's not supposed to be a long term fix. Yeah, World War Two.
but for example, Bryce, if you live in the, let's say, I don't know, one state.
Yep,
Where do
Florida.
you Florida? Okay, so let's say you have your license and everything on Florida,
Yep.
and then you just become a digital nomad or something inside the USA. Where do you pay your taxes? In Florida?
If you have a residence in Florida and you're claiming
Yeah.
Florida residency, then you know, but you're still gonna have to pay federal income tax. Yeah, there's no
Okay,
state, but there's still federal.
okay, I understand now. That's why I wanted to know.
Kike Arthur loves them.
Arthur
Absolutely
seems like a guy who would love the queen and the king.
I don't have a problem with them.
I
A lot of
do.
people don't like him though. But what can you do? Nothing we can do, so just move on.
Great advice for life.
Exactly.
Literally, I can't find a single setup at the moment. Am I missing anything? Trick, what are you looking at today?
Flock? Now just
Flock.
now got at res.
Flock, if what? We start closing above like 0.25 or what?
Yeah. I'm
Yeah, I guess
trying to
that's.
find something like that.
I'm looking at the 3 minute.
Found a 30-second. Oh,
We just need a WWG sovereign country. That's a good idea.
yeah, above here on Flock.
Yep, literally, I have the exact same thing on my chart right now. Are you on the 30-second? Are you on?
30-second.
Yeah, I'm looking 3 minutes.
LTC. I think LTC got filled at. Yeah, so our area of interest now. Honestly, it looks pretty weak. So maybe you could try and snipe this level down here, 109 on LTC. If it doesn't hold here,
Oh boy.
Doge probably doesn't look good. But I'm gonna have a look.
Mate, how long have I been muted for? I've been talking to myself for ages.
You've been muted for about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
What
Thank
the fuck?
thank
I've been
God,
talking
right?
for ages. I didn't even realize I
Tareeq,
was muted.
thank God he's been muted for 10 minutes, right?
Was I muted when I was talking to Kike about the king and that?
Yeah, you were muted.
That's
Thankfully, you
funny.
were, yeah, because we know you love.
I had a full-on conversation.
Oh,
What were
that
you
was a
saying?
nice one.
I've had loads of conversations. That's funny. Wow, I didn't even know.
Fuck, man. I've climbed.
Doge, I like down at 19 cents. So maybe like 20 to 19 for Doge. But yeah, it doesn't look great. I don't want to live in Dubai though, Flex. Fuck that.
Me neither. I mean, I cannot. From a
You only need to live there
logistic
6 months out of the year.
Yeah,
Yeah,
still, I
but
don't want
then
to live there for 6 months.
if
I mean, if I was over the pond with you guys, I would say that's a no-brainer.
not man, when you have family and stuff, you cannot just go as you please.
I have a family.
You know what I mean, man.
Yeah, that's fair.
He
What
means
I
a
mean.
girlfriend.
or a boyfriend in your case.
Okay, all right. Hey, my boyfriend would be happy if I moved to Dubai.
Hey,
I'm
Jackson.
kidding. Well,
Yeah, Jackson.
he's waiting there for you. Oh man.
Actually,
Sumi, I like
dude.
down at $3. I don't know how else about it. Pina. Sumi, I like down at $3. Down here. XRP, I don't know what the price is, but I'm going to bring back my old spot limit for it at 240. I think it was 240 or 250 to 220. It's a good level to pick up some spot XRP, I think. Is that mustache guy, Bryce?
Yep. Super stash, old fucking super stash. Dude, that was the nail in the coffin when she told me she wanted me to grow a mustache, and then next thing you know, Oh, so yeah, laugh at my. Hey, if we can't laugh, we'd cry.
That's
I do a little bit of.
teeth,
Yeah, I've
that
been
is.
doing a little bit of both.
I'm
That's-
sorry. I'm sorry.
Just go and hash.
Bryce has been having his fun as well.
Nah,
Isn't that right, Bryce?
nah. Mm-mm-mm.
Right, last few
Alts are
minutes.
pulling back.
Pardon?
Oh, I said alts are pulling back a bit on the 5 minute compared to Bitcoin.
Yeah. I haven't looked at Bitcoin dominance actually in a while. Well, we got that bear.
Yesterday it went down when
Yeah.
Sol pumped, and see how it went down when altcoins pumped
Yeah.
yesterday. It was a little bit weird.
Ideally, we don't want it to reclaim this 60% level. Because then alts could get a bit dicey. You and Pocky nearly getting a fight, Bryce.
No. These guys just let us bitch them. Honestly, we didn't even say a word to them and just took over their section.
They're probably scared of you.
Well, I mean, yeah, I mean, me and Pocky, you know, like that's if I saw us walking on the street, that's just probably not the first. It would not be my pick of the litter to pick a fight with.
To your ears and think, fuck that.
Fuck that. That guy's got a disease that gives him massive fucking chicken nugget ears.
Or they think you just had your head up Jackson's hole. One or the other.
Well, I mean,
He just had to mute himself.
it's not mutually exclusive. You know, it can be multiple things. You know. No, I muted myself. I got a phone call, and whenever you get a phone call, it mutes you on Discord.
Yeah. All right, should we call it there then, boys? Because I think we've been through everything.
Yeah, it's not too much going on.
Yeah.
There's nothing going on.
I got alerts set on Flock, and that's about it.
Was I muted when I was talking about Flock? I think
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
I've got a 3 minute a little bit higher. I did post it in the chat earlier.
25.
I've got a 3 minute. I've got a 3 minute as well at 25.
It's pretty much the top of that wick, the most recent wick.
Oh, mine's higher than yours then.
3 minute wick. So the top left of your screen.
Here?
Yes. Yeah. You're on the 30-second chart.
Yeah.
So I got a 3 minute from further back.
But where's the top of your box? What
Just above that higher. 26427.
See, I think we can get in earlier. That will be fine.
I'll pump your bags.
Or you can get in with us. Because look how many times this level's been rejected.
Yeah, that's the 25-cent reclaim. I think is the play.
I think so too.
But
What are you
your
saying?
stop your stop is actually pretty wide. It doesn't look like it, but it's a pretty wide stop.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks everyone for coming.
Thanks everyone, guys. Can you recommend?
Thank you guys. Sorry there wasn't a lot to go over today, but like, you know, we can't really force the market if there's nothing there.
Yeah.
I'll just use my local person, Optimist. She's not the best, in all honesty. I think I need a new one.
What's that?
UK accountant.
I just use someone local as well.
Yeah. Cool. Right, I'll speak to everyone soon. Today, Thursday, so we'll see everyone in the morning.
All right, yeah. See you in a bit, guys.
Thank you guys very much for joining. Kiki, what does that even mean?
Thank you.
See you, Flo.